start from the left hand side to the right hand side for this upper part. This back button is just for you to reverse the action you took last. So let me use this text on the screen to explain that. Now let's say we deleted it by mistake. We can use this button here to reverse our action. So the second one, which is addition button in a magnifying glass, it means you want to zoom what you are dealing with. So if I do like this now, can you see? It's just to zoom. You can zoom up to 500%. So let's return it back to the normal screen, which is 100. So after zooming in or out, you have to click that tab again once to balance what you are doing. Now the next one is just grid lines. For you to edit your grid lines, you have to click on this down button here, which is for setting. If you want to increase it, maybe you want 6 by 6 lines, you click this last part, then you set it to any number you want it to be. Let's say you want 6 by 6. You'll see, just erase and add. Now you have 6 by 6 horizontal and vertical, so you click OK. Can you see it has increased? If you want to shift it, just put your hand on each line and drag. Let's say we want to create safety lines, you can just drag to this end, to this end. It's just to guide your design. So as we move into this course deeply, I'll show you more usage of these grid lines. Now we've checked that, let's off our grid lines. The next one is for you to know the number of layers you have. This for layers. So layer means the text, icons, anything you input into your pixel lab, but it won't include the background, only the element you include. Maybe text. Let's add another text now. You'll see that the layer will become 2 text. You see we're having 2 text now, so the layer becomes 2. This layer, you can see 4 options there. The first one is a lock button, which is a padlock. If you lock down an element, you cannot move it. Your hand will not touch it. Can you hear papa? So it won't move. But if you click it again, it can now move from left to right or anywhere you want it by choosing it with your clicking. Now, other options there is for you to edit. Either you want to edit the text or delete it. Can you see that one has disappeared? So the other one is just to hide it. If you click that I cancelled, it means you want to hide your element or layer. The last one is delete. So I've explained that. Now let's say we're having 2 layers and you want to merge. So as we dip deeper, we're going to explain that. This one at the bottom here is for you to do some other things. Now that I've clicked it, you can tick the boxes and then you do the action, maybe delete, merge or edit. So when you click on this one that shows 2 arrows coming together, it will ask you, do you want to merge? If you click OK, it will turn it into one object. So can you see? So let's reverse that action for our layer to become 2 again. So if you mistakenly do that, you can still reverse your action like that. Now the next one is a plus button with no circular shape. So if you click it now, you can see what you can add. Current date, sticker shapes from Gary Draw Test. So all those ones are not so much necessary. You can still use other options in your pixel lab to get your test, and sticker is not that useful. Shapes also, you can use it to get your shape in. So it's just to add any element as you want. Now this one, after designing, this is the icon you are going to click here. So this one will tell you what to do. Is it to save as project or to save as image? Saving as project means you want your work to be under here. So if you click here now, here, if you click that side, you will see one folder image here. If you click it, you will see your previous works, the one you've saved as project. Can you see? The ones you've done earlier, the ones you've designed earlier. So you can see all of that. So that one is just for you to select either as project or as image. If you save it as image, it will appear in your gallery on your phone. But if you save as project, it will appear on this Pixel app as simple as that. So let's go to the next thing. If you look at this, you know what this means, which is what? A share button. Do you want to share it directly? You have Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on and so forth. So all those ones is just for you to select where you want to share it to. This one is just quotation. They add some quotes into your pixel lab. Those ones I don't use it. So it's just there for you to create something. Maybe you just want a quick test just to practice maybe you are practicing quotation. You can use that to just get some text into your into your design, or maybe you want to prepare something but you don't know the exact text that should be there, you can just use that one to represent it.